and got off my ass and got to the cash and got in my bag, boy.
What's up, Bam World? It's Bam. If you're new, hi, welcome to my channel and subscribe to join our world. And if you're not, welcome back. And we're just gonna jump straight into this video. So the craft that I'm working with is a 24-inch lace frontal wig, and it's 250 density. And you can get this craft from me. You can DM me on Instagram. My Instagram is at the top of the screen. Artsabam Craft is my business page, so you can DM that page to purchase a custom wig. So I'm just showing y'all here the dyes that I will be using to achieve this color, so stay tuned. So now right here I'm starting to dye the wig, and when I was showing y'all the hair dyes, I forgot to show y'all mint green. So in this hair tutorial I'm also going to be using a mint green color for this craft. So for the back of the wig, the main colors that I'm going to be using is Violet Gem, which is the purple color, Luxe Blue, Powder Blue, and Mint Green. So those are the 4 colors that I'm going to be using for the back of the wig. And then when we get to the front of the wig, we'll worry about that later. But for the back of the wig, I'm just going to focus on them 4 colors. So I'm just placing the hair dye wherever. Like, I'm really freestyling this. Like, I really don't know, I don't have a specific placement of where I put the dyes at, if that makes sense. So y'all can just watch me just freestyle this whole back of the wig, and then I'm gonna come back once I get to the front of the wig. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already, to join our world. And make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. Both of my Instagrams is at the top of the screen, and my business page is Artsabam Craft. So if you guys want a custom unit created by me, then you can just DM me on my business page and I will respond as soon as possible. But as of now, enjoy the video. Oh, and this is the mint green color I was talking about, the one that I forgot to show y'all that I'm putting on now. It's Adore hair dye mint green, and I mixed a little conditioner with it to give it like a soft pastel color. So a tip for y'all that I have for dyeing hair: when you place the hair dye on your hair, you want to put the hair dye on there and you want to blend it together like that with your hands. You want to blend the 2 colors together if y'all are doing ombre colors, because it's just going to look so much better. You don't want your hair dye to look patchy on your hair. So that's just a dyeing tip for you guys, and make sure y'all blend those colors together. So just in case anybody's confused, the 2 main colors that I'm using is Luxe Blue and Powder Blue for the back of the wig, and I'm just adding purple and mint green streaks like in between the blue, just in case like anybody was lost and confused. I just wanted to explain it better to you guys. So yeah, that's all I'm doing. So now we're at the front of the wig, and I'm going to be doing streaks. As y'all can see, I did one side of the wig already, and I'm doing the other side right now. I'm doing this mint green color, and this is the mint green without the conditioner, so this is the real color, y'all. So I'm doing mint green and pink, as y'all can see. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm going to come back once I'm done. So once I'm done with the streaks, I'm moving on to the sides of the wigs, and as y'all can see, I'm putting this beautiful baby blue color on the sides, and the top of the wig is going to remain that blonde color. We're not going to put hair dye on the top, so it's going to remain blonde. So I'm going to come back once I'm done putting the blue on the wig. So after I'm done dyeing the wig, this is how it came out. It's so beautiful, y'all. Like, these colors are so vibrant. So after this, I'm going to shampoo and condition the hair off camera, and then I'm going to show y'all the finished look. So stay tuned for that. So this is after shampooing and conditioning, and the colors did not bleed, and I also have a video on how to wash multiple colors out your hair without it bleeding, so it will be in the description box down below. So now I'm about to spray some argan oil on my wig. And you don't want your wig to be looking dry, so that's why I spray oil on them before I let them air dry. And as y'all know, I do let my wigs air dry for 24 hours. I do not blow dry my hair at all. So right here, I'm just gonna brush the oil into my wig, and then I'm just gonna leave it sitting for 24 hours. Then I'm gonna come back and show y'all the finished result at the end. And right here, I'm just taking my towel and scrunching the hair up upwards just to get any excess water out my hair so the drying process can be quicker. So after 24 hours of letting the wig dry, this is how it came out, and this is how the color looks, and it looks so beautiful and bomb. So if you guys want to know how I styled this wig, the tutorial is already up on my channel. I did some Hollywood waves on this wig, and it came out super bomb. So if you guys want to know how I styled this, the link will be down in the description box down below, and you guys can check that video out after this one. And make sure y'all follow me on TikTok. My TikTok will also be in the description box down below. But this is basically the end of the video. At the end, I'm just going to show y'all some pictures of how the wig came out and how it looks and everything. Y'all already know the routine. So yeah, this is basically it. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to join our world, and follow my Instagrams and follow my TikTok. They will also be down in the description box down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Want it? No, not at all. None of you bitches compare. Nah, try to shit